Hi there. How many times it happened that you forgot to hide your super secret pictures or videos which you don't want anybody else in this world to know about? But somehow your partner or family members found out. This small mistake could even put your relationship to jeopardy if you're not careful. Or maybe you just want to keep a backup of your files in the cloud without the cloud provider knowing what you're storing there by auto encrypting the files on the fly while uploading or downloading the files. Or maybe you just don't want to install separate resource heavy apps specific to your cloud. For example, Google Drive, Desktop, or Mega. You just want a one stop solution to access all your cloud files. Installing many client applications just to access the cloud files is a waste of resource. Today we will see how we can access all our cloud drives from a single application called Rclone. We will encrypt the files as well so that only we can see what's in there. Also, we will configure the same in our smartphone as well, so we can easily access our files from our smartphones on the go. First, we will install Rclone. Use your distribution specific command to install Rclone. After installing, let's configure Rclone and add some cloud providers. I'm using pCloud because it is not very commonly used in my country. So the chances are low that anybody could guess which cloud provider I might be using. People tend to use Google Drive or OneDrive here in my location. However, the process should be similar for all the other cloud providers. Client ID and client secret can be left blank, but it might affect upload and download speed. The browser would be opened automatically and ask you to log in to your cloud provider. Now let's mount the folder /mnt/pcloud. If you get this error, you will need to create the folder first. Also, make sure to change the directory owner to your username. If you get this error, you will need to edit fuse.conf file so that we can mount the folder without root privileges. Now with all errors gone, it should mount fine. Now let's download an image and paste it in the location we just mounted. I will keep the web interface of pCloud side by side so you can see it in real life. Now, if you refresh the page, the file which I uploaded will show up here in the web interface. So our pCloud basic setup is complete now. We will configure our cloud drive mount as a service so that we can easily mount and unmount our cloud drive. This part is totally optional but good to have. You can get all the comments and texts mentioned here in our blog post. I will put the link to the page in the video description. Make sure to change these details accordingly, which I am highlighting. Double check before you save the file. Also, change the user and group name. Save the file and run the reload command and start the service. Make sure to put the service name correctly. You can check the status of the service like this. Also, you can stop the service like this. Stopping the service will unmount your cloud drive immediately. Now let's configure encryption. You cannot directly create the encryption configuration. You will need to first configure the original cloud drive. Then you can add encryption to it. Put your cloud drive name. Make sure to put the exact name you have given previously and add a colon and then put your encrypted folder name. Whatever folder name you put here, all the contents of the folder will be encrypted. You can encrypt the file names and directory names as well, or you can leave them unchanged. We will use a generated password here. There will be 2 passwords. Make sure to keep the password somewhere safe, because if you lose it, there is no way to retrieve your encrypted files. Now, let's create a service for the encrypted drive as well. You already know the process. Make sure to create the directory first and give permissions to it. Otherwise, you will get errors when you try to run the service. Whatever files or folders you paste here will be auto-encrypted before uploading to cloud, and also it will be auto-decrypted when you mount this drive. If you want to mount your cloud drive automatically, you can enable it like this. To set up Rclone on your smartphone, you will need to transfer the Rclone configuration file to your smartphone. The configuration file will be under your home directory, then .config folder, then Rclone folder. If you cannot see your config folder, it is hidden by default. Press Ctrl H to show the hidden folder. You can use data cable or local send app to transfer the configuration file to your smartphone. Install AppDroid app on your phone. AppDroid is a fantastic app store which has open source Android apps. If you search Rclone, there will be 2 apps, RCX and RoundSync. RCX app is very old app. There is no release after 2021. So I will prefer RoundSync, although RCX app will also work fine. Import the rclone.conf file in the app. You will not need to enter any credentials this time. All configurations will be fetched from the configuration file itself. Your cloud drive will be shown here. You may be wondering how to set up your phone and laptop in such a way everything is done automatically. You take a photo or a video and it will automatically sync that photo or video to your laptop. Also, it will automatically encrypt and upload the same to your cloud drive. Yes, that can be done as well. In the next video, we will explore that option. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.